Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. We have some top stories that are very important. First, before we start with this latest update, please make sure you subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Our first top story is about Juba girl speak out after 3 years of abuse. According to the information, a 14-year-old girl in Juba has come forward after reportedly being raped by a 45-year-old male relative over a period of 3 years. The suspect is said to be a family member who took advantage of the girl while pretending to help her get an education in the city. According to her guardian, Julia Nyayur Kwanyin, the girl was brought from Twish County in Warab State in 2021 to live in Juba and attend school. Julia says she trusted a relative, Sayir Angok Sayir, who promised to pay for the girl's school fees. But later, the man started abusing the child when Julia was away at work. Julia said the abuse continued for 3 years and that the girl was too scared to speak because Sayir threatened her. The truth came out in late 2024 when the girl finally spoke up after being beaten again by the same man. A case was opened at the Muniki police station in Juba under Article 247 of South Sudan Penal Code, which defined rape. But Julia and the girl lawyer, as Yasmin Ahmed, said the law was changed to Article 264, which treat the crime as if the two were living together like husband and wife. They believe this change happened because of bribery. After the change, Sayir was released on bail and offered to marry the girl, even offering 100 cow to her father. Reports say the father accepted the offer and even changed the girl's birth record to make her appear older. But the girl refused to marry her abuser and was later beaten by her brother for rejecting the marriage, the traditional wedding. Lawyer Yasmin Ahmed said this is one example of how rape cases are not taken seriously in South Sudan. She called on the government to protect children and make sure justice is done. Let's go to Western Equatoria. Cut pay for absent MPs. In Western Equatoria State, lawmakers who have missed 10 meetings in a row without permission will no longer receive their salaries and benefits. This new rule was announced by the Speaker of the State Assembly, Antuna Richard, who say the goal is to make members more responsible. Richard said the assembly was formed to represent the people and lawmakers who don't attend meetings are failing their duties. She explained that those absent for medical or maternity reasons are exempt from the rule. More than 14 members have reportedly been missing since the 2018 peace agreement. The speaker said the suspension of payment is not punishment, but a way to bring discipline and seriousness to the assembly. Both ruling and opposition lawmakers supported the decision. The government chief whip Isaac Juma Martin said the rule is legal and important for maintaining integrity. SPLA member James Elisama also called the move bold and fair, saying lawmakers must respect the law. Civil society group agreed, saying the measure will help strengthen democracy in the state. Let's move to Eastern Equatoria. Governor regret UNIMIS exit. Governor Los Lobong Lejore of Eastern Equatoria has expressed regret over the withdrawal of the UN mission in South Sudan known as UNIMIS office in Torit. The governor said he wished the mission could stay until after the 2026 election, which is national election, of course. The UNIMIS Deputy Special Representative Anita Kiki met with the governor to explain that the office closure was due to a global funding crisis. And she said that even though the Torit office will close, UNIMIS will still support the state from its headquarters in Juba. Governor Lobong thanked the UNIMIS for helping maintain peace and order in eastern Equatoria and assured citizens that the government will continue to work with UNIMIS on peace and humanitarian program. He urged everyone to remain calm during this transition. Let's take a look at the report from the APAL. APAL passed 76 billion South Sudanese pound budget. The APAL State Parliament has approved a budget of 76.6 billion South Sudanese pound for the 2025 to 2026 fiscal year. The Minister of Information, Peter Gojo, said the budget was endorsed by the Council of Ministers before being passed by the Assembly. Nyonjo said the budget will now be signed by the governor to become law, the new governor, Jacob Dollar. He added that the health sector will receive the biggest portion, 5.2 billion South Sudanese pound, while Human Rights and Peace Commission will also get significant funding. The minister said this year's budget is expected to work better than last year because oil revenue transfer from the national government have resumed. The main source of revenue include personal income tax from NGOs, a 2% oil share from Juba, and local taxes. Nyojo say the government is committed to improved health, education, and service delivery in all 13 counties of the state. Let's move on to the breaking news. According to the information, soldier killed in Rukona clash. This is a new development, and it is breaking news. Clash between the SSPDF and the SPLA. In United States, at least 4 soldiers have been killed and 5 others wounded following a clash between the South Sudan People Defense Forces (SSPDF) and the SPLA in Rukona County. The fighting reportedly started between Sunday and Monday this week. United States Minister of Information Gadwesh B. File confirmed the incident, saying the government had intervened to calm the situation. He said that the fighting took place in Burnyang and that the injured soldiers are being treated at Bentiu State Hospital. The minister urged both sides to respect the peace agreement and avoid further conflict. However, SPLA spokesperson Major Kerbino Yaipazal said the attack was started by the SSPDF force in Chorcher village. He claimed 12 SSPDF soldiers, including their commander, were killed, while the SPLA lost 1 soldier and 2 others were injured. Independent confirmation of this claim has not yet been made. The fighting show how fragile peace still is in the United States and how mistrust remains between the two forces despite the peace deal. We are going to one of the new report, just opinion, where the question were asked, is Adut Salva Kiir Mayardit the next president of South Sudan or not? Let's take a look at this. Before we proceed with this latest update, please would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Let's take a look at this. Some people are asking if President Salva Kiir Mayardit daughter Adut Salva Kiir Mayardit might become South Sudan next leader. This is just an opinion. Adut was recently appointed as a senior presidential envoy for a special program and also runs a foundation that supports education and women empowerment. A rise has started a lot of debate about whether South Sudan could become a political dynasty with power staying within one family. Some said her appointment shows she is being groomed for leadership. Others believe her path to the presidency is uncertain because of competition from other political figures and her limited experience in government. Analysis said Adut position gave her influence and visibility, but South Sudan politics are unpredictable. There are no clear rules for succession, and the ruling SPLA party remain divided. Her success would depend on her ability to gain support, show leadership skill, and manage the country ethnics and political challenges. For now, Adut Salva-Kiir is seen as a possible future leader, not a guaranteed one. Her journey will depend on how she builds her image, win trust, and prove that she can lead the nation. That's all for today. Before we proceed to the next report in Tognat, please, I would like you to tip the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for supporting Shang YouTube channel. Joe Banling was making the other content link Tognat, Banner right Katin Concharin Lad. Banakaling Gua Katada and Shikatoga. Ken Conwo Niamre Lerkaname go region gender subscribe to the notification bell. Jet one comment Michel Guasame Kashang for YouTube channel there Shamala Shvikajin. Banajo me Banajaling Kel, Joe Shalat Guasame, very important key and report Banling Guasman. Ray wiki Juba Chalado and take a Yamishirach Miche Berar. Jenijan charge Cheng Jack Rundang Jok Lo. Wood me she nangdul gorka kachikan mar ajen la ja kap kepin wood mo ajen banaling o kajelermen banakulokoler kokin nyamate grundang wel ngwan re wiki Juba nyame nya jani jena ja kapin wunmetik run jen ngwan wi dh no kuud la ja kepin o jene rami marken jene ka korun dang jok sigitekel la ja kap kepin wood mo Ramadan and Kevran pin warami mo marken jen che nyam che nang re ki Juba lo che nang dul gorka but che shoot kel would take 45 years on it so when mo la nyam la yo kev pin re duara gwadan tikte ka jom chala Ramadan gang nyame shim shala Julia nya yur kwanyin jeni nyame nung je dorishal ke Tush County ka Warap State ke 2021 2021 jen chang na rewi ke Juba te dul gorga tin winimi Julia chela do ne jen Ramadan en chwal ke gwan marka de chwale sir angok sir dit ke sayer dit je Ramadan che nyame che je promise no jin ba dul gorko do bajari ale ke benjo ko ben ka European telembele larik so jen Ramadan che nyame che mislead ke ja ci shega me chala ro mi che jen jodul gorka ke cho gwala na gwala den shega mon mi chale Juliane be garmo bodo chen kan nyal den be nyal be lo kan ke be je lo kapi eno karundang jok let garmo le mi chena mo ajene mene me che nyam chong ngan wen mo chu nyam mo chu rach jene shaje pim ke ron kin dang ro den dang ro widong wan when money misha nyam chaje pim wuda ko jene kabje pinke nyam je lok chu nyam chu ka kume ka chu garwe yo gwan ka the police station chale muniki police station which ka Juba chu wuda me chaje yen ke article 247 milado ala South Sudan penal code milado mi jin mi signal che kapin baje delien chi Julia kan Ramadan lawyer nyam wa chika right chicken lat wa cha jigno chara medan me cha kep wudo mon go jen cha dur che lat ke nya le kapin chaje gorno ba je luñ no ka gwaze dan wa article dan cha gorno ram mo shirek che lat no den baje lukke baje yen wa cha article chaje get cha nan ka article 264 kam motin kontre ko South Sudan an article 264 raje ko me ram mo chika tekel karundang jok wi mi da nyu da je no kennedy ti chikan tu ngaran can shake the kiran can show de chwa jigno can husband and wife ka tai dan chagwi ke je chikode la no chwa wuri shwal ka mo se yirin gwado ya jigo chwa kamrar cha jigo no jin binyam bi jokwen no ko me dan chagwi je no jen kevin nyalpin an gwado mo chwa gwan nyam chwa je mo cha ka okti chok ko kor kokti kor ti cha kam gwan nyam no ba nyaade ba kwen jeri pode nyam me dan e chare lek me shalat and when mon shu gwan nyal chwe no ba nyaade ba kwen kokti kor after that che nyam dan kule la men cha kule jen ya chenga je ke sha ka pin and when mo show you look she would mo she look no baje kun would mo Ramadan jeni chi la je no jeni ko kore shwa je chupiem no ko she look no de je kun wood lawyer Yasmin chikala do na me wa case bluno de je gorken mu kwalat gwas me nyamton mo menanga ni dul gorka den bajo kan ken yam de tini she manano why no kan mo no baje nang rami mo misha gon marka din but simply relative me below jelo kwen you after so ri te ne kan ate family chang na men chigar me she andut ka she ko per no benyal beje kwen ti nyala lok bone ko nyal jen cha chenga je so te nyamten me de te kurundang doko kudut kamet chicken mar just simply ngai kan rodien so na me agenda na talk some people are you South Sudan kana go big nyeken ken ka kwak so do mo ba she do me kwa achana ben kestur man dien Western Equatoria wa chicken MP ni ken chicken yo ken ken ngok jo mashallah wa tiken ke MP ni dang well ti shab ray dul komanan tiketin ka dornya nyom men chal ke Equatoria ngai konen Western Equatoria to kor tiketin ngai konen so she MPs key members of parliament she can gwadul ka ni ka gwaseda na watam cha salary ni ken and all the benefit cha cut off ke cha ka watch ne da tiye kan let kana ko ba ka ne ti te tin shab gwadul ka ba ka kula jago bi kan kula participate commission ngani no cha yo cha ngo den be ben wane ti ni jen gare wini ka 2018 peace agreement dan me cha mal cha time wa kan ke nyago gwadul ka ko ne to court ka tin then after that wane ti kan kala ben antama ga jom kan lat kan ne kan 14 members no ne ti teleka nike 2018 peace agreement ne de sharen watch gwadulo shi kan la ben tama cha disin ya yu kan ka jen Western Equatoria no ba MPs ni ba ka dil kapchong by the way kan MP ni ti la members of parliament ka Western Equatoria ka ji kuma SPLA members so de ko larno ko kan ko ni sharen bare which so mi chena me ajo ma chalat me de kon link do bodan en chetwo ka je lerdian gwazman bana nyo kamilin kon men dan chetwo ka Eastern Equatoria by the way ji UNIMIS ga jian tan chikanura yuka Juba bestian chikana watch governor Los Lobong mantere which in winimi lenga ji UNIMIS no de yente ka Eastern Equatoria cha jogono Eastern Equatoria tigatin binete ka Juba ala headquarter ngod bob ne ye lok katin kola lokana ji UNIMIS jian kare which in winimi ko ngai kanan go rik chikamat kan ci fan ci tel kwakte kam kana ano re duar shal ke doran cap governor Los Lobonga Eastern Equatoria re which in mi cha ga jogo no yende re which amen mi 2026 election cha tok den yen kula jien but do no ci UNIMIS deputy special representative Ramdan la Queren chala ni takiki chala no netele ne kwakte bene na lokaje jeni re ka dan to go shi nan gang ne mutab ko je tel kwakte won kan yal tongo mi du no ngode bob ne state bene lok kwat mret ne re ke Juba ko headquarter ne Juba anje UNIMIS la Los Lobong gore jeno de na de karin kula barka UNIMIS ko ngai ko na tong mi ko dikten but chaga jogo no tele way out ngwanien gwasame ji apanal state chika yor shop 76 billion South Sudanese pound chicken ka collect titi dung budget ka la financial year dung 2025 da 2026 ka yor shop 76 billion SSP budget wa ka yote ba let go but chicken mention no na kan yuroti jaga ka kan jios ni yuroti jaga 2% ka oil revenue dan today ka South Sudan yuroti jaga tanin ka local tax jen godan jaga ka tin ka yuroti shop ka 76 billion chicken wala do and kan oil revenue sorry can all this budget money tin yangun and on wa 5.2 billion South Sudanese pound wa bakala duel wala kan nyok ba Human Rights and Peace Commission ba ga moy ba ke funding ke ba moy ko yo ko bi kan let ken kula lat some of the mon dong bu ko de ni nobody know jen do bana chalat ke jam so joma de yen budget ndana chalat ke qui apnal chana ben kaler mi jidit gwas me magor liang chalado ne te ke de indi chana kan wala krup kona rup kona county ke unit state dio je kon yal ngai kono lere nyamba dere me ler mi jidit Rewigin the state chalado shadi ni dang wan chakana kane dang de shamu ka bot no na gwade chi de ne SSPDF kan de ne SPLA shi ka jektin ka dorshal ka rup kona county wan when mo shi kurche talk no ke Sunday kan Monday la pan kan pan ka ja watch kurmo choda lat and then re kurmo chine dang de shi ka lutin United State Minister of Information gadu bi fal chela do shi kurmo cho talk la talk ka shi na shi ka lutin re kurmo ne gwadana to kortin ga jo chela ga je gwadana chal ke bur nyang no jene cha na cha mo ka botin kontila dini antama ka bentiu state hospital yan gwadana mo ka waltin che jo mo che jalat dundo ci kuma SPLA IO spokesperson Major Kabino Yai Fazal chela do nene kore ci to ke Sunday ka jo chalat dorshal ke short share village ne kanyam jene ci dindang wero ci ka liu karam kel mla commander yen la dini SSPDF to charge pin commander in money charge na kan ga SPLA IO kachi kuma SPLA IO ci karam kel ci kana lose ke charam kel ci liu ka ne dang road te ka board je reported nyam ci kana ngun so jo me mi chora lare which mi question and jagwas me do self came yadi ci na ro ke kwide no jen wa gwige jen o dongda la kwer and biben ka kore ne dum wan taken no President Salva Kiir yadi nyada na do Salva Kiir yadi dioga jeno let gwana ka position mo lo baja kwanya la kwer rewika South Sudan wajen antama gwege je no don je Ramadan ba kam combat ka joma chalat gwas menetin kon lanin lat kana no ne do Salva Kiir yadi jen che kwarshe je de kodi te gane te wan ka kuma SPLA te gwek ne Kiir gwek ne yatin te gor ka kwar ne te wan long te ten gwana mo te biran tama gor ka no bi kan kwar bi kana nan gwege jeno adut self came yadit mo goro jeno ba kwar ba je gor jeno jen boroda kan ngai ke jiwich ba je kon ngat ke boroda jaga ngat ke mo rod jaga ngat ke den don ba gole te ke chance ko don de ja kwan ke daro ke election ko to election jen don baran ba je kwan ge jemo jo me amisha alat me don de nyaka ye kel ka ta dan maro lat ke je ban chongon gwasa me mi jira ma jedit ka Changfied YouTube channel please go no jin bijen nyaka ne ko ken ban nyu je ke le rodien biata kamal bye bye